There are three methods to solve a pair of linear equations. They are elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. We have already seen elimination method and substitution method in my previous videos. In this video, you are going to see cross multiplication method. Solve the following pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. First question, 8x plus 5y equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y equal to 4. In cross multiplication method, first upon you have to put a cross. Then for determining x, you have to write y terms first, that is 5 and 2. Then these equations you have to write it in standard format first, that is 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0, and that is your first equation, and your second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. These are your two equations. This is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now for determining x value, you have to first write y terms first, that is here 5 and 2. Then in this cross you have to write these constant terms. Here your constant terms are minus 9 and minus 4. So you have to mention minus 9 and minus 4 here. Then again you have to put a cross. Here you are going to determine y. In here you are going to write, here already constant terms are written. For getting the value of y, you have to write then x values, that is 8 and 3. You have to put x values 8 and 3. Now again you have to put a cross. Here you are going to write 1, that is C1 term. For determining C1 terms, here already x terms are arrived. So you have to write y terms. So 5 and 2. Now it is very simple. You have to put here, from here you are going to write x divided by, first you have to multiply this 5 with this minus 4, that is 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 9 into 2, which is equal to minus 18. So you are going to write minus 20 minus 18 is equal to y divided by, again you are going to multiply minus 9 into 3, which is equal to minus 27, that you are going to write here. Then minus this 8 multiplied by this minus 4, which is equal to minus 32, that you are going to write here. Then equal to this 1 divided by 8 into 2 will give you 16 and 5 into 3 will give you 15. Now you are going to write x divided by minus 20 minus 18, which is equal to minus 2. Y divided by minus 27 minus 32, which is equal to 5. 1 divided by 16 minus 15, which is equal to 1. So you have to get x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. So what is the value of x then? X is equal to minus 2. On cross multiplication, you will be getting x value as minus 2. Then what is the value of y? From here, y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. On cross multiplication, y is equal to 5. So cross multiplication method is very simple. You can determine x and values in a faster manner here. Your second question is x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. First, you have to determine x, y values by using cross multiplication method. So, since it is a cross multiplication method, first you have to put a cross and write the value of x. For finding the value of x, you have to write y values first. Here y values are minus 3 and minus 3. So order cannot change. You have to first write y values here. Then you have to write the constant terms. Here constant terms are minus 7 and minus 15. So you have to mention minus 7 here and you have to mention minus 15 here. Then again you have to put a cross. Here already constant terms have arrived. Now you are going to find out the value of y. For determining the value of y, you have to exclude this y term and you have to include x and constant terms. Here already constant terms were written. So you have to write the value of x then. So here value of x are 1 and 3. So you have to specify 1 and 3 here. Then for determining the value of constant, you have to write x and y values. Here already x values are written. So you have to mention y values. Here y values are minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3, minus 3. Now you are going to write x divided by, you have to multiply in this manner only, that is minus 3 into minus 15, which will give you 45. That 45 you have to write here. Then minus, then only you are going to multiply these terms. Minus 7 into minus 3, which is equal to 21. So 45 minus 21 equal to y divided by, again you are going to multiply from your left side, that is minus 7 into 3, which is equal to minus 21. Then minus 1 into minus 15, which is equal to minus 15. So 1 divided by, from left side you have to start 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus minus 3 into 3, which is equal to minus 9. Now you are going to see x by 45 minus 21, which is equal to 24, which is equal to this constant term you are going to put 1 by minus 3 minus minus 9, which is equal to 1 by 6. So now you are going to determine x value first. On cross multiplying this, 6x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 24 by 6, which is equal to 4. You will be getting answer suddenly. Then picking up the y terms, y divided by minus 21 minus minus 15, which is equal to y divided by minus 6, which is equal to constant term 1 by 6. Again cross multiplying, 6y equal to minus 6, y equal to minus 6 by 6, which is equal to minus 1. So you got x as 4 and y as minus 1. Now you can check your answer also. X minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Putting x value 4 and y value as minus 1, minus 7. What is the value? 4 minus of 3. That is 4 plus 3 minus 7. What is the value? 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So your answer is correct. So you can solve algebraic method of linear equations by 3 ways: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Whichever method you can choose and solve the pair of linear equations. Hope you have understood this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.